Let's take a look at a few basic ways we can customize the appearance of our store. I'm going to be doing this from my embedded Ecwid store on the custom HTML site I built, but this works just the same wherever your store is located, such as on a WordPress site or a Facebook page. For visual customization options, log on to your dashboard at Ecwid, click Settings, and then click Design. Once you're here, you can either scroll down or click this button, Change Theme Options, and it'll take you down the page to the Theme Options section of this page. The first thing you see here is Color Adaptive Mode. This is what colors various aspects of your embedded store to fit the rest of your site, such as these links matching this menu background color that I put in manually. So if we were to switch this off and disable it, then the color of things like these links and the shopping bag would no longer be matched to the rest of our page. They would just be a basic blue color. We also have a number of options under Appearance. These are all pretty self-explanatory. Show sign-in link on storefront, that's this link right here. Show product SKUs on the storefront. If we go to one of our categories and then click a product, that's referring to this SKU number here. Show breadcrumbs. That's this set of links here that sort of follows how deep we go into the page, and then we can back up to the desserts section or to the store main page. And then we have other things like show sort by and view as options on product lists, show quantity field on the product details, show the in-stock label on the product details, show the number of items in stock on product details. Of course, this is only if you are tracking product inventory in the first place. And then we can also change the size of product images in grid view and category images on the main store page. Let's take a look at what happens if we were to disable a couple of these options. Let's say, for instance, that we don't think it's necessary for the customers to see the product SKUs while they're browsing the store. Maybe that just gets in the way and sort of clutters up the other information that's more relevant. And maybe in our particular case, for whatever reason, let's say, for instance, we want to get rid of these breadcrumb links as well. We would disable show breadcrumbs. Once we've disabled those, if we go back to our site and refresh the page, it'll automatically pull those settings from Ecwid. And notice the SKU is no longer there. The breadcrumb links are no longer there. Finally, if we scroll up, there's also a button here that says Create CSS Theme. Go ahead and click on this. Aside from actually creating a new CSS theme, this page also gives us a couple stock themes that we can change to. Obviously, we're starting off on standard by default, but let's see what happens if we click beige. Do note that when you use beige or red or anything other than standard, your site will essentially ignore color adaptive mode, because by using one of these themes, you're saying, I want these specific colors that come with these themes. I'm not worried so much about matching my site anymore. So if we click on beige, then we're going to click Activate and then Save. Then if we go to our site and refresh, notice we have the beige theme. Our links, the background to the menu items, the shopping bag icon, our continue shopping button. All of these things are now a beige color. And if we wanted to do the red theme, we would do the same thing. I'm not going to go through the whole process, but you simply select it, click Activate, and then Save. But I like the way the standard theme is matching our theme, particularly with the color adaptive mode. So I'm going to go back to standard, activate that once again, and save. If we go to our website and refresh, then immediately our changes will be put in place and the site is back to just how we want it. With the ability to change these basic visual components of your site, you'll be able to customize it for your customer base.